Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog. My name is Ochi. I do videos on food, travel, and lifestyle. For today's video, I'm sharing another travel-related vlog. We're going to Baler. But
Going to Baler.
We're going to Baler. We're going to Baler.
Baler.
Because it's my boo-boo. Oh, parang tara na. Bubu's birthday. So we're going to Baler. Baler. Pati ko siya ma-pronounce, parang di maarte. So we're going to Baler and I'm gonna be taking you with me and let's see what is in store for us. Let's go! Hi! So after a grueling 4 or 5 hours, we left Bulacan around 7 a.m. and it's now around 12. It's now around 12 o'clock and we just started here at Base Inn. This is where we're going to be staying for 2 days that we're going to be here. So we already got our keys and I'm going to give you a short room tour of what 3,600 is like here at Base Inn. Medyo mahal, no? But let's see what we have. Okay, so we've already entered the room, of course, but I'm going to show it to you as if I'm just entering the room. Okay, let's go. So once you get in, you have like a key card. Separate talaga siya. Separate for entering the room and giving the room some power. So ito yung sa for power. Yan. The room is not so big. So this is the entire room. This medyo I paid for the room. It's not super big. But, you know, pwede na. Has that industrial kind of effect. Over here you have the bathroom. Ayan, my basura na namin to. So you have here the basurahan, the toilet, and a glass with aray, fuck! A glass with the shower. Tapos I don't know, I think this is a place for your things. So these are our things, and then you have the food that you can consume, the water, the TV, a little fridge, that's our kalat also, and then, ayun na yung room. I don't feel very strongly that, what do you feel about it? I don't feel very strongly about paying $3,600 for a room that's small, but we already paid 2 nights, so tignan na lang natin kung worth it. Okay, tan? So, I think they're trying to compensate for the lack of a better service for a room that's this expensive. So, they gave us 10 in. But I'm still giving them a chance. What do you think? Wait for me.
Yo.
So, Bubu had home-style beef tapa. Anong lasa? Is it yummy? Barbecue. And doesn't eat gulay, so that is for me. So this is my order. This is what I got. It doesn't look as appetizing as nakataka lagi minamalas. As appetizing as I thought it would be, but I'm so hopeful, so let's try it. Parang hindi siya bagay kasi parang nasa grill, tapos may mga kamatis sa loob, tapos yung sauce niya is mushroom something. Ano siya bagay? So we weren't super satisfied with the food that we had over at the Base Inn something rest. So Boardwalk Resto, I forgot the name. Tapos ang mahal-mahal pa. So, natin ka. So yun, hindi pa kami. Kaya kami ng pagkain. Sigutan pa ako. Yes, go.
Kasi, marunong siya magluto. Halos lahat ng patayin na luto niya na. Gusto ko, pakain
Nice.
naman sa kanya. Yung pakain naman sa iba.
Chucky. So we're back in our room. We planned to have an in-room massage. Kaso hindi pala pwede sa bahay. Because talaga siya ng showtime. Hindi pwedeng sabay because we have a relatively small bed. So dapat one at a time. Pagod din si Bubu because he did drive the car. So matutulog na lang muna kami. Tamad. Sayang time pero yan, matutulog muna kami. Bubu, what are you doing there?
So, pag tinanong doon, talagang may...
Tapat siya. Wala nang siya na. What the hell?
Lilitan ko na nga.
Hi! We just woke up from our nap. I took a nap for about 3 hours. Is that even a nap? But, I don't know. You know? We're on our way to Kublai Bistro. We're gonna eat. Parang may food dyan. We're on our way to Kublai Bistro to have early dinner kasi parang hanggang ngayon, gutom pa rin kami from our lunch at Base Inn. So, we're looking for something worth our money. So, nahanap niya is, bakit doon tayo kakain?
We need better food.
Like, how better? What kind of food do they have?
I don't know. Quesadilla. Quesadilla.
Quesadilla. Quesadilla. Okay, oh, ito na siya. What? Looks fancy and nice. Let's see.